Yay, Brussels sprouts. So they are my new fave right now. Hey everyone, Charlie Allred here, healthy diabetic, and I am so excited to cook Brussels sprouts. So one of the new things that I'm planning on doing, I have 2 cameras going, so this will be interesting to see how this turns out. But I have the Facebook Live that I'm cooking on, which is what you're watching right now probably. And I'm also recording for YouTube, which I do edit a little bit, and you don't get all of my maybe crazy remarks. So the point is that I'm doing this is new. I wanna make sure that I'm uploading my videos on YouTube on Wednesdays. So the new videos will be on Wednesdays on YouTube. Brussels sprouts, yay, Brussels sprouts. So they are my new fave right now. So I cut them up yesterday and I just stuck them in a bowl. And I kind of like, I don't know if you can see, these little chip pieces is what they end up as. They end up as really black little charred deliciousness. And what I'm using is a cast iron skillet. So I have my cast iron skillet heated up, and what I've been doing, this is new to me, I have to tell you. So the cast iron skillet comes pre-seasoned, and so what I've been doing though is oiling it after I use it, because you clean it with warm water, and then if it has any crazy flavor on it, you push some salt around on it, which works. But I have been putting oil in it, and then heating it up, putting the oil, wiping the oil down, and then letting it cool after I use it. That way it's already pre-seasoned when I'm ready to go. So that's my big plan here, okay? So again, cut Brussels sprouts. I have the cast iron skillet heating, and let me have avocado oil. So let me show you the avocado oil here real quick. There it is, there it is. All right, I like avocado oil because it has a higher cooking point. So I'll tell you, I sometimes will use a little bit of bacon, just like maybe 1 or 2 strips. You can use turkey bacon too, but you can see the pan's hot, the oil is kind of spreading out, which is helpful, right? Oh, I need my Brussels sprouts, they're there. Okay, so here are my Brussels sprouts. And what I like to do is I actually like to kind of set them in there. See that sizzle? Can you guys see that? I like this face down method because, and this is a little ridiculous, I'll pour them in a minute, because I really like that dark char on the flat side. I mean, look at this, this is amazing. Now I do have it on high heat, so I'm gonna turn it down just a little, maybe 6, because it does sizzle. So you may actually want a little bit of an oil, what do I wanna call it? One of those oil splatter guards. But I'm just throwing them in here. Dun, 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 dun. And then, I guess I'll just start throwing them in, and then I can use my wooden spoon, that's fine, to flatten them. Woo! See, it's popping on me. Gotta turn it down to a little bit more. All right, and we're gonna need a little more oil. So what I like to do for the tops of these, and I don't think I'm gonna use all of this today, because I cut with a huge bag. I like to use, and this is one of my Friday faves, I think I have it on the blog. Yay! I like to use this oil sprayer because it has avocado oil in it, and I don't like buying those pre-made avocado oil ones because they're really pricey. It's like $5 for like an ounce of oil, maybe. I don't think it's even that much. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna try and get, now that they're all oiled, I'm gonna get them on their flat side. That's the main, oh my God. That one right there, that's a good one. That's what you want. So you kind of have to sometimes move some of the, ooh, look at this one. Sometimes you have to move some of the ones from the outer edge to the middle of the pan, because the middle of the pan will be the hottest. All right, let's see here. Okay, so that one's not getting much char, so I'm moving it to the middle. Hold on, hold on. Woo! Goodness, come back here. I like to not burn myself, but I do want to show this to you. Look at this, see this char? That's what I want. So after they get that char, I kind of move them to the outside. Red chili flakes would be outstanding on this. My kids won't eat them, but they are really delicious. Okay, so at about this point, I am going to turn off the stovetop, and I'm gonna put these under the broiler. Sprouts in the oven for maybe, gosh, 2.5 minutes. I don't think it's been very long at all. So I'm gonna pull them out, and you will see all those charred, delicious bits. Are you ready? Okay, let me see here. So, you want to add an acid at the very end because I like my Brussels sprouts to have a little more flavor. So you could add, I have lemons, I have fresh lemons. So that's what I'm going to add, and it's going to sizzle. It's so delicious. And I'm not even worried about the seeds because I'm just eating these. It's no big deal. So I just mix that around, and these are ready to enjoy. Don't they look so good? Oh my gosh. I would eat one, but they're so hot. So this is what they look like. They are really magnificent. You could also add, instead of lemon, you could add red wine vinegar, you could add balsamic vinegar, you could really add any oil or any acid that you want at the end. It's really just to flavor them up. The reason I don't do it, yay, Brussels sprouts. So they are my new fave right now.